How to deactivate your Facebook account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account within the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to deactivate our Facebook account, the first thing we need to do is open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone and then select Menu in the bottom menu. Once you get into the menu, select the gear in the top right to open the settings, and then in the settings, select See More in Account Center. Once the Account Center opens up, scroll down and select Personal Details. And then under Personal Details, we just want to select Account Ownership and Control. Once you get in here, simply select Deactivation or Deletion, and then select the Facebook account that you want to deactivate. Now that we're in here, Deactivate Account will be selected, so we can scroll down and select Continue. Then simply enter the password for your Facebook account and select Continue. Then you'll be asked to give a reason for why you want to deactivate your Facebook account. So select one and then select Continue. They'll give you some information about taking a break. And at the bottom, you can see that all you need to do to reactivate your Facebook account is to simply log back in. Additionally, at the bottom, we can have our account automatically reactivated in a certain amount of time by selecting that dropdown. And if you want it to be indefinitely deactivated, simply select Don't Reactivate Automatically. So select Done. Once you've done that, select Continue. If you have a Facebook Messenger account that you use and you don't want it deactivated, check this box next to Continue Using Messenger, and then that account will not be deactivated. So now all we need to do is simply select Deactivate My Account, and your Facebook account will be temporarily deactivated. Remember, all you need to do to reactivate it is simply log back into your Facebook account. If this video helped you, consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.